How to stop Windows 11 updates forever. At first, press the shortcut keys. Windows plus are on your keyboard. Or, click on Start and then type in Run. Click to open. Type services.msc. Move down to Windows Update. Right-click and then go to Properties. Under Startup type. As in the example below, choose the disabled option from the drop-down menu and click Apply. Finally, restart your computer to complete the procedure and ensure that the search for new updates is disabled. So that's how we can stop Windows 11 updates forever. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and even leave a comment. See you next time.